frankly it's much easier to voice over than to talk to the camera. Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm doing this makeup look that I did on myself for Eid. It's a very quick, very easy 5-minute look that you can easily pull off with just 2 eyeshadows, so you can just easily do it any day. So if you guys want to know how I did it, please keep on watching. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and if you like it a lot, consider subscribing to my channel for more makeup videos and tips and tutorials and all that jazz. So please keep on watching if you want to know how I did it. So let's begin. My eyebrows and all the skincare is done, and we'll start priming our face with this Beautify by Amna's Perfect Primer. And my mehndi is almost gone as well. So we are going to put the primer on the cheeks and rub it in on the T-zone, wherever you need. Next I'm going to apply this e.l.f. jelly highlighter, and I didn't get the cap right, so this is a very good jelly consistency and the glow is very nice. I'm applying this with the concealer buffing brush on the high points of the face, the cheekbone, nose, cupid's bow, all these places. For foundation today I'm using MAC Studio Face and Body Foundation. It's a very good liquid foundation, very runny consistency, and I love it because it has very sheer to medium coverage, and the application style I love with this is just like you apply your face moisturizer with your fingers and just blend it all over the face. Now to hide my darkness, my best friend, the NARS Creamy Concealer in Medium Biscuit. It color corrects very nicely and illuminates the under eye as well. I'm applying it with a concealer brush. To highlight my face, I'm using the Shape Tape in medium, and I just apply a tiny bit under the eyes, over the nose, on my forehead, and a tiny bit on the chin. You just need a tiny bit because it's not an Instagram look, it's an everyday wearable makeup, so you just need a tiny amount, and trust me, a little bit goes a long way. As you can see, it blends very nicely and spreads good as well. So you just need a tiny bit and blend it with a good concealer or buffing brush. Now to add color and dimension to my face, I'm using Chanel Soleil and de Chanel, the bronzing makeup base, and I'm using it with the Duo Fiber brush to buff on my skin. I don't contour my face usually, I just bronze and contour with one product, like multitasking. We're done with all the cream products, so now we'll start powdering our face. First off, I'm using Hourglass Ambient Powder in Diffuse Light to powder my under eyes. It's a very illuminating powder that gives shine and luminosity to the under eyes. It's a good product. For the rest of the face, I'm using Bobbi Brown's Nude Finish Illuminating Powder in Nude. This is also a very illuminating face powder, and I love the sparkling effect it gives to the rest of the face. So you just powder all the areas, the T-zone, and anywhere you need. For blush, I'm using one of my favorite blushes, NARS Amore blush. It has a nice plum peachy tone to it. It goes with almost all the colors. Just apply on the apple of the cheeks, and I love blush. Blush and highlight are my two very favorite products. Can't live without these. For highlight, I'm using Tom Ford's Sheer Cheek Duo in Paradise Lost, and this is a very, very nice highlight. I'm going to apply this with a fan brush. I think it is from Body Shop. But you check that glow. That's intense. That's really nice. I love this glow. For eyes, I'm using Maquiage's palette. It's actually a face kit. I'm just gonna use 2 colors, one of the pinks here and another one the rust orange shade. It's like kind of a deep orange, so just these 2 shades. First off, I'm packing on the pink on the whole lid and kind of blending it as well, so it covers my whole lid. By the way, I'm sitting right next to my window, so the colors are slightly going down as the sun was setting. but I hope you can see the colors properly. So just pack that pink color and blend it as well. I've zoomed in so you're up close and personal. You can see the colors. So the pink is packed on and it's blended nicely. Next I'm using this thin bristle brush, and I'm going to take that second shade, the orange one, and I'm going to apply this into the crease. I'm going to focus this into my crease and just apply there and slightly blend it upwards. I'm also going to apply this to the lower lash line. So this color is like crease and under the eye color, and you can see it already gives depth. It doesn't look like orange, it looks like a deep pink tone. So I thought these two colors looked very nice together. So just apply on the lower lash line and slightly blend it as well. With a clean fluffy brush I'm going to blend all the edges, and yes, by magic my other eye is done. Now taking that same brush in the same orange shade, I'm applying a thin line to the upper lash line and smudging it just like a smudged eyeliner. Now taking a small brush and any black eyeshadow, I'm applying it on the upper and lower lash line on the outer half only and blending it with the orange just for a smudged eyeliner look. It's giving depth to the outer corners. As you can see, blend it on the lower lash line as well. Blend the orange shade with the black so it's smooth and there's no harsh line. I'm using the same Tom Ford highlight to highlight my inner eyes and brow bone. And I'm also applying this on the center of the lid to give shimmer to the center. And it's getting dark. I'm so sorry you can't see the colors properly, but I told you the sun was setting down. So I'm applying my mascara. I'm not a falsies person on as usual. I always go for a good mascara. So this one I'm applying is by MAC. This is Extended Play Giga Black Lash, and I'm just packing it on. On lips I applied this Revlon's Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in Addiction. And so guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. It's very easy, very quick and very basic eye look. So give it a try and let me know how you like it. For more tutorials, do let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.